So, how are you feeling now?
I am feeling better. Understand something in English without any help. So I feel proud of me, and I want to tell you something. You know, when I know that blue whale's tongues is equals to a elephant size, including weight. So I feel in the world many things are left to learn.
Oh, very nice, very good.
So we go anywhere out of country, like Japan. So we not understand their language. So because I want to experiment on.
So, hey everyone. So today we have a new member for this podcast, and please introduce yourself.
So hello everybody. My name is Lavis, and I study in 5th class, and I am from Banwadi village.
Okay. So we are going to ask some questions, right? So your first question is, what is your favorite thing to do after school?
It depends on condition. If I am fully tired, so I go and fell to sleep.
Okay.
And if I am not tired, I am normal. So I go and use mobile.
Okay. What do you watch in mobile?
YouTube.
Okay. If you could learn anything in the world, so what would it be?
There are three things I would learn. So first one is drawing, second one playing volleyball, and third one English speaking.
Okay. What is your favorite movie or TV show right now, and why do you watch it?
My favorite TV show is Kapil Sharma's show,
Okay. Why do you watch it?
because Kapil Sharma cracks jokes, and I challenge myself in my mind to not laugh on Kapil Sharma's jokes.
Very good. So.
And any comedians in the Kapil Sharma show.
Okay. Do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors?
Outdoors.
Why outdoors?
Because I explore new places in our village.
Okay. So how many new places you have explored?
I can't speak.
Okay. What is your favorite food, and can you cook it?
My favorite food is pizza,
Okay.
but I not cook anything.
Okay. Your favorite food is pizza, but you cannot cook it, right? Okay. Why do
Not only pizza, including everything we eat.
Okay. Do you like animals?
Yes.
Okay. Do you wish you have an pet animal?
Yes.
Okay. What type of pet animal you wish
Dog.
to have? Huh?
Dog.
Dog. Okay. If you could visit any place in the world, so where would you go?
USA.
USA.
Sorry. Japan.
Japan. Why Japan?
Because I want to experiment on
Okay.
Japan.
What kind of experiment?
I purchase a pair of white socks, fully white socks, and I throw my shoes. If I wear slippers,
I mean, you are trying to say you are only going to wear white socks.
and I walk and explore new places in Japan for 24 hours.
Okay.
And when 24 hours expand, so I check the socks, because somewhere I heard that Japan is most cleanest country in the world.
Okay. What hobbies do you have outside of school?
Drawing and volleyball.
Okay. Do you like to play volleyball?
Yes.
Okay. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports?
Yes.
Okay. Which one?
Volleyball. And I master in volleyball.
Okay. Do you like drawing, painting, or other kind of arts?
I like charcoal drawings
Charcoal drawings.
with charcoal pencil, like
Okay.
2 BHP.
Yes. Okay. So, do you make sketches or what?
Yes. Sketches.
Okay. Do you play video games?
No.
No. Have you ever built something with your hand What was that?
I never built with my hands, but I repair a light,
Hmm.
and because that light is damaged,
Oh.
then I feel proud of me.
Okay. Is there a hobby you would love to try but you haven't?
Volleyball,
Volleyball is only volleyball, right?
because I not have volleyball.
Okay. Come on, let's jump into study and school
Do
life.
you think if I not have volleyball, so how I mastered in volleyball?
By the way, when you asked me this question, now I'm wondering how did you master in volleyball when you don't have
Because
volleyball?
my big brothers,
Hmm.
they have a shooting volleyball,
Okay.
and I mastered with that.
Hmm.
But I play few time with it because my big brothers take and go in the field
Hmm.
volleyball ground and they play.
Okay. What is your favorite subject at school?
Science,
Why science?
because science teach us new things and new facts.
Okay. Is there a subject that you find difficult and how do you deal with it?
Maths,
Maths. Why do you feel maths is difficult?
because if I learn tables 2 to 10,
Hmm.
after that day
Hmm.
I forget,
Okay. It was funny. Okay, so
And-
how do you deal with it?
and I try many times.
Mhm.
Same thing happens.
Same thing happens. Okay, so how do you deal with it? Have you ever think how would you deal with it?
I not deal with. I think through this.
Okay.
I use the method plus.
Okay. What method helps you to remember new English words?
When I am in second class, so there was my friend named once.
Hmm.
He told me
Hmm.
that your hand,
Hmm. Show in camera.
your
Ah.
hand,
Like this?
fingers
Like this?
like this
Ah.
tightly
Okay.
and read the word.
Huh.
How many times the word has letter, like boy.
Hmm.
Boy has how many letters boy have?
4 boys. 4.
Boys. 4. So we read the word 4 times.
Okay.
And if that is a sentence, so read the sentence how many words the sentence have.
Okay, very nice. So it helps to remember the word. Right.
And it works.
Okay. Have you tried? Okay. How do you feel about homework? Is it necessary or not?
Necessary,
Okay. Why homework is necessary?
including unnecessary also.
Why? I mean, explain it. How?
If someone is intelligent
Hmm.
and he understand that
Hmm.
carefully, so he know how to solve the sum, like
Oh.
it is maths
Hmm.
sum. So teacher give that some sums, so I think he not want to complete that, but it is his choice.
Okay. Come on, let's move on to next question. Where do you usually study? At home? In your room?
In my room,
In your room. Okay. Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
alone.
Alone. Okay. What time of the day you feel most focused for studies?
6 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher and what makes them special? Come on, why are you laughing?
My favorite teacher is Jain sir, and I want to tell you something that before this podcast, Jain sir forced me to take his name.
This is not true, by the way. He is my one of the favorite student, but he is. You are exposing me, na? Okay. Jokes apart. Do you feel? Do you think school prepares you well for?
Blue whale's tongues is equals to a elephant size including weight. So I feel in the world many things are left to learn.
Oh, very nice, very good. When did Okay. Uh, have you ever helped someone at school?
Sorry?
Have you ever helped someone in school or anywhere? I mean, not in a school.
Yes, I helped many times, but I forget when I helped.
Okay. Uh, what do you do when you feel sad or stressed?
When I am stressed,
Hmm.
I go in room and take my drawing book
Hmm.
and draw anything that
Draw.
is coming in my mind, and that makes me relax.
Okay. Do you think kids your age use social media too much?
No.
Okay. What is one piece of advice you would give to younger students or the students who is at your age?
I am from village, and my parents said me to go this institute and learn English, and I am also interested. That's why I come here and learn English and master this skill, trying to master it. And other parents in our village, they not give their children's attention, and they also give them mobile. That's why mobile phone, social media distract them from study, and they
In future?
they focused in mobile phone, not in study. That's why in future they cannot become a successful businessman and not own a company or other thing,
Okay.
job.
So what I mean so what do you want to say to them?
So I want to say to them, not use mobile too much. If they want to use, so only use 20 to 30 minutes, and 1 hour to 2 hours they want to study. They should be study.
So what do you want to say them?
Not use mobile too much, and if they want to use, so only use 20 to 30 minutes mobile phone and study 1 hour to 2 hours, and that's make them able to survive in future.
Okay. If you could change one thing about your school, community, village, so what would you like to change or improve?
Can you repeat the question?
If you could change or improve one thing in your school, community or village, so what would you like to change?
I want to change something in school.
Improve
In school. That they focused on younger children, and I noticed that in schools teacher focused on senior students and not focus on junior students, and that's it.
Okay. So my last question is, how was your experience when you come here for the first time?
I feel hesitate because I am not trained how to not feel hesitate when you stand in front of anything.
Okay. So see you in the next podcast.